As a lawyer, your reaction to sa dismissal ni Mayor Junjun?
Again, I question the timing, di ba? Parang 2 days before the lalabas sila. Tsaka, if I remember correctly, ito yung pinaping Supreme Court eh. Kaya kung tutusin dapat hindi naglabas na or si dahil ito yung pending sa Supreme Court. Ito yung nakakuha kami ng injunction. Kaya parang talagang questionable yung order ni
Siyempre sasabihin na naman, no, dynasty, husband yung may papalit sa inyo. Anong
kahit sila, alam ang problema kasi kung tumatakbo ang husband Johnny, lahat naman like, they will always make an issue of the dynasty. Again, kung ayaw ho ng tao, iboto yung asawa ko, yung kapatid ko, ako, kung ayaw nila ako iboto, wala akong issue ng dynasty. Kasi at the end of the day, ang tao pa ang bumoto. At hindi naman nagpipigil yan sa Makati yung nangyayari. Kaya let's not make it an exception because it is happening. Diba? At sinasabi ko palagi, kung ayaw mo ng tao, iboto kami, yung asawa ko, yung mga kapatid ko, ako, let the people decide. Because at the end of the day, sila ho yung masusunod.
Okay, ma'am, last question, at least for me, no? May state of the name, state of the city address name, Peña. I don't know what it contains, but as far as you're concerned, what have you done for Makati? What has the Binay done for Makati?
Parang, again, hindi mo naman may kakaila ang dami mo nagawa ng pamilya namin para sa Makati. Yung sa ilang buwan na pamamalakad ni Kid Peña, may nagawa ba siya? Siguro at the most, isang nagawa niya, hindi nagtanggal siya ng empleyado, pinalitan niya yung cake, nag-resume siya ng mga kontrata, yun ang ginawa niya. Pero as a concrete project, I don't think he can claim to any project that he has achieved while he's sitting as a acting mayor. Hindi ho niya pwedeng sabihin na kanya yung yellow card, hindi niya pwedeng sabihin kanya yung hospital ng Makati, hindi niya pwedeng sabihin na kanya yung University of Makati, and hindi can. Those were built at the time my dad was mayor at tinuloy ng programa na aking kapatid.
I'm sure sabihin niya anti-corruption campaign, no? Kaya ang mga Binay ay hindi na dapat pabilikin, etc. etc.
At the end of the day, yung corruption issue na yan, court na mag-decide. Ngayon, kung ako sa kanya, lumaban niya lang siya ng patas.